We got the new BCM in. All we've got to do now is change the ignition switch, because this BCM has a different resistance than the original BCM. So we'll change the ignition switch that came with this BCM and see if she'll fire. After changing the ignition switch, the key has to be programmed. So you see the security light on. We're leaving the key in the run position for 10 minutes, turn it off, repeat 2 more times, and that should reprogram the key, and we'll see if she'll start. Right after that, it'll start now, and then security shuts the car off. So hopefully she'll stay running, and we'll be able to go for a drive. We're on our first drive. The reprogramming worked on the key with the BCM. Traction button was off. Everything seems to work in this thing. It's nasty and snowy out, so we really can't get on it, but clutch doesn't slip. Tranny shift's nice. Radio works. It's actually a pretty nice car. People are giving me some weird looks, but it'll be alright. Got the little body control module here. You can actually see how deep the water was in the car. There's a corrosion front and back side, and right there's the water line. Alright, we've got this thing cleaned up. It's looking alright. Got some few scratches that need to be buffed out. I don't know what somebody put on the hood there, but that'll clean up with a little wax. Hopefully the couple videos we did on this car shows that these flood cars aren't as bad as they may seem. Not every flood car is floating down the river. I mean, there's a little bit of water in this thing, and really didn't affect it much. The body control module needed replaced. Other than that, it's got a few ride control and StabiliTrak lights on that we need to look into, but those are typical C5 Corvette stuff. We usually list these things and get rid of them. We've got a car lot, and being in the rebuilt title business is what we do and what we enjoy doing. But I think we'll keep this car and do a few more videos on it. My wife's been begging to drag race a stick shift car, so this might be the one we let her beat on, and we'll make a few more videos on it. Possibly down the road do an engine swap, and we'll see how far we can take this thing. thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.